So we are at the M Performance Driving School in South Carolina. We're in a 2024 BMW M2. We have the 8-speed auto. We're following around this M5. We're gonna throw this in manual mode. Slide there. This M2 is just a weapon. It drives so well. What a fun course too. Elevation changes. Torque pull us out. This M2 is just beautifully balanced. It's an amazing chassis. Everything just works in harmony. Yes, it's heavier. Yes, it's uglier, but gosh, it drives well. Brakes hold up. This 8-speed auto is just fantastic. Love the uphill corkscrew. All right, a little cool down lap. Awesome. All right, guys. Well, there is a video on the M2 out on track. Pretty good time here at the M Performance Driving School. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. We are also going to be driving the M3 CS, which I am really excited to get into, and the i5 M60, which is their high performance EV, 5 Series EV. Stay tuned for those videos. We'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.
All right, you put it in park, you can leave it running as well.
Awesome. Cool.
Same thing, 4 laps.
Perfect.
Get after it again.
Great, thanks.
Yeah,